World War II Lego mock. Let's build it. First, we need the helmets and the head. What the? Now the torso and legs. This guy is a machine gunner. Next guy will be a rifleman. This last guy will have a Go Air 43. Probably not accurate, but it'll do. Now, the base of the mock was pre-built. Here's the walls for it. We are now building the walls, and it's very hard. As you can see, I sped up the video, so I won't waste your time. I'll skip this part because it's pretty long. It was hard for these pieces to connect. But once I locked in, I got them together. Oops, this fell. Now for the weapons. I need a Go Air 43 and a Car 98K. Now I give Hans and Fritz their firearms. This is what the pew-pews look like. Now, I don't have a machine gun, especially the MG42, so I'll build one I found on YouTube. That's the trigger. Here is the ammo box. And now the barrel, iron sight, and I forgot the name of this. There it is, a custom-built Lego MG42. Now we place it on the mock. Whoa, 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 pause that music for now. Anyways, that's the